Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to unpin a group on WhatsApp. Pinning a group is a great way to keep your favorite or most important chats at the top of your WhatsApp, but there may come a time when you want to unpin it. Maybe the conversation is no longer as crucial, or you simply want to rearrange your pinned chats. Whatever the reason, unpinning a group is a simple process that can help you stay organized and keep your chat list decluttered. Let's get started. Here's how to do it. 1. Open WhatsApp first. Launch the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and have access to your chats. 2. Find the group you want to unpin. Scroll through your chat list and identify the group you want to unpin. Pinned chats are typically displayed at the top of the list. 3. Long press on the group. Gently long press and hold the chat you want to unpin. This will display a menu of options. 4. Tap the Unpin icon. In the menu that appears, look for the Unpin option and tap on it. The Unpin icon looks like a thumbtack crossed with a line. This will unpin the selected chat from the top of your chat list. Once unpinned, the chat will return to its regular place in the list, organized by the time of the last message received. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned a group on WhatsApp. By following these simple steps, you can easily unpin a chat from your WhatsApp chat list. This allows you to manage your chat list effectively by prioritizing and organizing conversations based on current importance and relevance. Now you know how to unpin a group on WhatsApp. It's a straightforward process that can help you keep your chats organized and ensure that the most relevant conversations are always at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.